Now we will sketch first part of guillotine shearing machine, manual shearing machine. So let's start. Choose front plane, sketch, select a line and start to draw from origin point. And connect. Now exit. Now we will assign dimension. (15.875) 70 mm. Distance from top 180 mm, and the distance from here to this path, choose 40. Select OK. Now select this line, shift key, this line and this line, make relation equal. Now these 3 points are equal. Now our geometry is fully defined. Now we will extrude 250 mm. Select OK. Now see, the body is defined. Now select this back surface, choose sketch. Exit. Select first normal. We want to define some okay. Now let's select back surface, sketch, normal, select corner rectangle, exit, select 100 mm and this one select 7.9375. Okay. Now select this line and select this line, make relation collinear. Okay. Now drag this here. Now we want to make this parallel. So just delete this first. Assign one dimension from here to here. Choose smart dimension. Assign any one 40 like this. Or cancel this line, make from here to here, then up to here, then up to here. Now exit. Now choose, delete this line, make relation, this line select equal. Now assign 100. Okay. Select extruded boss, keep reverse direction 50 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal, and we want to draw a circle. So first select center line, exit. Now select a circle in center, select 10 mm and select extruded cut, choose through all. Okay. Now see, Now we want to make mirror this hole. So first we have to create a plane in between this line. So just select plane. It will take few seconds. Select this side and select this side. Now see the plane going to create in mid plane center. Choose OK. Select mirror. Select here cutout. See, is going to mirror. OK. Now choose fillet. Select 10 mm this side and this side. Choose OK. Now hide this plane. Now we want to mirror this whole extruded part this side. So let's create a plane in between this. So choose mirror, plane, select this face and select this face. Now see the plane going to be created in mid size. Choose OK. Select mirror. Now select those parts we want to make mirror. Fillet, mirror, cutout and extruded boss. These all parts we want to mirror. Choose OK. Hide this plane. Oh sorry, just hide this plane. OK. Now select this face, sketch normal, select a line. We want to cut it. Now exit from the line, choose smart dimension 40 mm and length from here to end 140 mm and this height 20 mm. Select extruded cut. Now this portion we want to cut through all. Choose through all. OK. Now select fillet, choose 25 mm and select this end. OK. Select this face, sketch normal. Now select line, start from here to this end up to this end and connect it. Now exit from the line. Now define dimension, select 50 mm and make the degree 45. OK. Select extruded cut and keep through all. Choose OK. Now select fillet, keep 25 mm and select both the end. OK. Now select this face, sketch normal. Now draw a circle, 2 circle, 1 circle here and 1 circle just above this point. Now exit. Assign dimension, assign 35 mm, (88 mm), (15 mm), and the distance from this end 25 mm, and the circle assign 10 mm. OK. Now select this circle and select one by one all circle. Now assign relation equal. planes also selected, delete this plane. Now assign equal. Okay. Now make some relation, select this center point and this whole same position, this center point and this point same. Now distance from here to here assign 10 mm. Now our geometry is almost fully defined. The distance between these two circles keep 50 mm. Select OK. And the distance from select 35 mm. This also defined 10 mm, 88 mm this distance. Choose OK. Now all the distance we defined. Select this point and this circle point, make relation. OK. Now it is fully defined. Go to feature, select extruded cut. Choose through all. Select OK. Now see the holes are created. Now select this face, sketch normal. Choose a line, start from and connect. Now exit. Now define the length. Select 40 mm. Okay, now we want to extrude cut. See this portion we want to cut up to 170 mm inside. Choose OK. OK. Now see this portion is almost prepared. Now choose fillet, select 10 mm and select this inside. OK. Now again choose fillet, select 25 mm this end. OK. Again fillet 10 mm and this end. OK. Now select this face, sketch. Select a line from this end to this end up to inside, up to here and up to here. Now exit. Select extruded boss, keep here up to vertex and select this as a vertex. OK. Now select this face, sketch. Select corner rectangle, select this end too. Or cancel, again choose corner rectangle, select this end to this end. Select extruded boss and choose up to vertex and select this point as a vertex. Choose OK. Now select fillet. Go back. Select 25 mm and this face 25.875. OK. Now again choose 10 mm. Select OK. This fillet also keep 25.875. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, choose corner rectangle, and we want to cut a rectangle, so draw a rectangle and assign the length 40 mm. Okay, select extruded cut, and we want to cut up to 130. Okay, now select this face, sketch, normal, draw two circles, mm, distance from here to this 25 mm, 50 mm. Choose OK. Now select both the circles and make relation equal. Select center point of both circle, make relation horizontal. OK. Select extruded cut and choose through all. Okay. Now, so this is our first part is ready. This is the first part of our manual shearing machine or guillotine machine. Save in our file, shearing machine. Body. Now we will sketch second part of manual guillotine machine, shearing machine. This is upper blade. So let's start. Choose top plane, sketch. Select a line and draw from here now exit. Now assign dimension. So select upper dimension 170 mm, 30 mm, 30 mm, 65 mm, and this length 10 mm. Okay. Now select 3-point arc. Connect this end to this end. Select OK. Choose smart dimension and assign radius 300 mm. Okay. Now select this, move this point. Oh, sorry, delete this. We want to connect from here. 3-point arc. Okay. Now assign diameter, radius 300 mm. Select OK. Now choose chamfer 15 mm. Select this corner. Choose OK. Now select circle. Draw 3 circles here. OK. Now assign diameter 10 mm. OK. Now select all the circles and make relation equal. Now see, all the circles are equal. Now select all the circle center point and define in horizontal position. Now assign dimension 15 mm, 30 mm, and this one 15 mm, and the distance from here to this wall 15 mm. Okay. So now all in center direction. Now select extruded boss. We want to extrude up to 9.375 mm. Sorry, 7.9375 mm. This is our requirement. Okay. Now choose chamfer. Select this face. Clear. Select only this face. Choose 5 degree and keep 7.9375 mm. Select OK. Now select this face, choose normal. See, it's looking. So just save as, create new folder in desktop, save as upper blade. Now assign satin finish stainless steel color, save as. Okay. Now we will make third part, lower blade. So let's start. Choose top plane, sketch, select center rectangle. Okay. Now assign dimension, keep length 120 and the height 45 mm. Okay. Now select circle and draw 2 circles here. Keep the diameter 10 mm. Distance from the one end keep 35 mm, the same as for second circle, and the distance from bottom keep 15 mm. Okay. Now select the center and the center of second hole, make horizontal position. Okay. Now select extruded boss, 7.9375 mm. Okay. Choose perspective, select chamfer, select this end. This end we want to chamfer 5 degree, 7.9375. Okay. Now assign the material satin finish stainless steel and choose the color, previous color, little orange. Now save as lower blade. Let's move for another part. Now we will sketch part number 4. This is a kind of support for shearing machine. So let's start. Choose top plane, sketch, go to shearing, and here one command in straight slots, choose center point arc slot. Okay. Now select from origin point, draw a vertical, go back, select OK. Now just drag it and make one slot, exit, choose center line, connect one end to this end and another end. Now exit. This is, make sure this is vertical. Now assign this angle, keep 45 degree. Inside radius make sure 50 mm, and the outer one 80 mm. Now choose circle and draw two circles in both the ends. Assign 10 mm. Okay. Now select this circle and this circle, make relation equal. Select OK. Now our geometry is fully defined. Select extruded boss. 7.9375. Choose OK. Now assign satin finish stainless steel, and this time we will assign some different color. Let's assign blue color. Save. OK. Now save this part, support. Now move for next part. Now sketch part number 5th, manual handle support. So here choose top plane, sketch, select a center line, edit, assign the length 100 mm. Choose offset entities, select this circle, select 50 mm, make 25 mm. Now mirror about, select this line, mirror about this line, select OK. Now make sure this point and this point in one position. Select center line and draw one line, exit. Now assign length 45 mm and the angle 135 degree. Now assign, select circle and draw 3 circles. Exit. Select these all 3 circles and make one relation equal. Now assign diameter 10 mm. Now all circles become 10 mm. Choose a line. Again choose circle and draw one circle. Keep diameter 36 mm. OK. Now select a line and draw 2 lines from exit. Again choose line. Now select this line and circle. Define tangent. The same as here, this line and circle, define tangent. So now this relation is developed. OK. Choose line and connect one end to another end. Exit from the line. Choose trim entities, trim outside and inside line also. OK. Now define this circle's distance from edge. Select 17 mm. OK. Now this geometry is fully defined. So select extruded boss. Keep 8 mm. Select OK. Now select this face, back face, sketch normal. Now select line and start from one end. Connect here. Now exit from the line. Select this line, upper line, and this lower line, make relation equal. Now assign this length 36 mm and distance from mm, and this point to this point 50 mm. Select extruded boss. Now select this face, keep 8 mm, select OK. Now see, now choose fillet 15 mm and select this edge and this edge, select OK. Now assign material is satin finish stainless steel and assign the color OK. Make little select OK. Now save as a handle support. OK. Now move for next part. Now part number 6, handle. So select top plane, sketch, select corner rectangle and draw from one end. Now assign length 300 mm and the width 34.925 mm. OK. Now assign circle 10 mm. Select center line, connect from this midpoint. Now exit. Select this line and click relation horizontal. Now it is horizontal. Now assign distance 17 mm. OK. Now select extruded boss. We want to extrude all up to 9.525. Select OK. Always keep perspective and assign polished rod. Better now save as handle. Assign those red color. Okay, let's move for. Let's make the nut, bolt and washer for guillotine machine. So first we will make in inches. So change here unit inches. Okay, choose top plane, sketch, select hexagon and draw one hexagon. Okay, now select this point and origin point in vertical relation. Now define 0.563. Select extruded boss 0.25 inch. Okay. Now select back surface, sketch, draw a circle here and assign diameter 3 by 8 inch. Okay, select extruded boss 0.8 inch. Select OK. Now we will assign some cosmetic thread. Annotation cosmetic thread. We will assign some not real thread but it's cosmetic thread. Just wait few seconds. Now it appears. Just select edge. Here select NC inch machine thread and this one choose 3 by 8 24. OK, and up to next select OK. Now go to option documents detailing and click here shaded cosmetic threads. OK, now see the threads are looking. Now select this face sketch, draw a circle here up to tangent of this face. Now select extruded boss, cancel extruded cut. Select flip side and keep angle 45 degree. See, select OK. Now see the edges are created. Select chamfer 0.01 and select the edge. OK. Now our bolt is ready. So save as a bolt 3 by 8 inch. OK. File name is telling not a. You can directly say bolt. Now create new part. Now we will create inch nut. So choose unit inch, background plain white. Now select top plane sketch, draw a polygon, exit, select top point and origin point vertical. Now assign distance 0.563 inch. Select extruded boss and keep 0.25 inch. OK. Now select top surface sketch, select circle and draw one circle here. Keep the diameter 3 by 8 inch. OK, select extruded cut, choose we want to select extruded cut, select through all. OK. See, now we will assign some color, cosmetic thread, annotation cosmetic thread. Select one edge, NC machine thread. OK, any thread you can select here. Up to next, choose OK. Now the same as here, go to option detailing shaded cosmetic thread. OK. Now see the threads are looking inside. Now choose chamfer 0.01 inch and select both the end. OK. Now select this face sketch, draw a circle up to tangent, select extruded cut, choose flip side, keep degree 45. OK. Now the same as back side, repeat the procedure. flip side 45 degree. Okay, now our nut is ready. This is our nut. Assign some color, satin finish, save as a nut. Now make washer, so choose new part. Washer we will make in mm, no need inches. Select top plane, sketch, draw 2 circles, ten mm, 20 mm. Okay, select extruded boss, keep 1 mm thickness. Okay, now assign material satin finish stainless steel, white background. So this is our washer. Just save as washer. This is the bolt. Just save bolt, satin finish stainless steel bolt. Save. Now let's move for next part. Now the last part we are making, so let's start. Choose top plane, sketch, select here straight slot and draw a slot from origin point. Okay, now again draw a same plot but little bigger. Now assign length 15 mm, this radius keep 5 mm and this one keep 10 mm. Select line and draw a vertical line, exit. Now define the length 72 mm. Okay, choose offset entity, select 5 mm, choose bidirectional, select OK, choose trim entity and trim inside portions. Now choose trim entities because we want to draw some parts from here. Okay, now select the center line as a construction line. Now choose corner rectangle, draw a rectangle, assign the length from here to this point, choose 15 mm, the overall length 80 mm and the height 5 mm. Okay, trim entities, trim inside portions. Okay, now select extruded boss, choose this one and this one, select 12 mm, select OK. Now this handle's almost ready. Now go for next process. Now select the back surface, sketch normal. Now select this internal line and click here convert entities. Now we want to convert this line, so now it is converted. Choose straight slot, draw a slot from this point to this point and select up to, assign radius 10 mm, it's level to this. Okay, select extruded boss. Now we want to extrude up to 8 mm, select OK. Now it is extruded. Now select this front face, sketch, normal. Now we want to extrude this also, so choose corner rectangle, draw one rectangle from one end to another end. OK. Now choose extruded boss. This one we want to extrude up to 3 mm only. Select OK. Now choose plane. We want to create a plane. Select back surface and select this back surface. Now the plane will be developed in mid size. See mid plane, choose OK. Now select this plane, sketch, normal. Now we will create some geometry here. Select circle, draw a circle. OK. Now select this circle and this line make relation tangent. The same as this line and this line make relation tangent. OK. Select trim entities. Just reverse back. Select this. Okay, this trimmed. Why it is not? It is selecting full. Maybe choose center rectangle. Draw. Exit. Now choose trim entities. Now it is deleted. Choose smart dimension and assign the radius 15 mm. OK. Now choose circle and draw here 2 circles. Now exit from the circle. Select this circle and this line make relation tangent. Select this line and this line tangent. Now assign diameter 30 mm and this also 30 mm. And the distance from here to this point keep 19 mm. Select OK. Now just choose line, select this line and this point up to this point and this point. Now exit. You can drop according to your requirement. Choose trim entities, select outer surfaces, OK. Now go to feature, select extruded boss, select this section and this section, cancel it, choose line and connect it from here to this point and up to this point. Now exit from the line. Now connect extruded boss. Now both selected. See, we want to extrude both sides, so choose mid plane and make thickness 4 mm. OK. So now this stand is ready. Hide this plane. So this is the stand for our Golatin shearing machine or manual shearing machine. Just save it. We will save as a stand. Now we will start the assembly of first bolt and washer. So choose new assembly. OK. Now browse sharing machine, select parts. Now choose bolt and press Ctrl washer, open bolt and washer. Change the background. Now choose mat, select this and select inside, concentric, okay. Select back surface and this surface, okay. Okay, now save this assembly 1. Now open assembly 2. Browse the part. First choose open body. Insert component. Now choose upper blade. Now we will first fix upper blade. Rotate component. Okay. Choose mat. Select this face and this face. Coincide. Select this inside circle and this circle. Okay. Now see it is moving. Okay. Now insert another component, lower blade. Now bring this here. Just rotate this. Okay. Now choose mat. Select this face and this face. Choose mat. Now select this down face and this face. Okay. Choose this circle and this circle. Okay. Now it is fixed here. See. Okay. Now insert next component. Now we will browse support. Open. Okay. Now just rotate this component also. We want like this. Select OK. Select mat. Choose this face and this face. Okay. Now select this inside circle and this circle. Okay. Now see it is rotating. Okay. Now insert next component, handle support. First rotate this component also. Okay. Choose mat, select first this face and this face. Select OK. Now select this inside circle and this circle. Choose OK. Now drag it up. Now we will fix these circles. Select this circle and this circle. Choose concentric. OK. Now see it is rotating like this. This is the our way of sharing. See. Now we will browse next part. Let's choose handle. Now rotate this handle. Okay, choose matte, select this face and select this face. Okay, now choose this circle and this circle, concentric. Okay, now see, we want to make some more relation. Select this face and this face parallel. Okay, now we will rotate. Now it's rotating. Okay, now insert another component. We will choose this stand. Now first we will assemble nuts and bolts. Browse our previous assembly nuts and bolts. Choose matte, select this circle and this bolt. Okay, select the back of washer, select this face. Okay, now insert component and browse the nut. This nut we made in our previous lecture. Choose matte, select this face and nut one side face. Okay, select inside of nut and bolt nut. Okay, now in same way we have to fix this all nut and bolt in all the things. So I will skip this method, you have to do manually, so please do it. Now see, as per our request, we fixed all the bolts and nuts backside. See, it is moving. This is our shearing, manual shearing or guillotine shearing machine. I hope you enjoyed. Now this one part is balanced to fix. Just rotate this part, choose OK. Select this face, matte, this face, select parallel. Okay, now select this face and this face. Okay, now select this circle and this circle, choose concentric. Delete this relation. Now it is concentric with this. Now select this face and this face. Cancel it. Last matte is not perfect. Delete this matte. Now it is moving up and down. Select this face and this face. Matte. This face. Choose OK. Select this face and this face. Make gap 3 mm. Choose OK. Select OK. Now this is the guide for this nut and bolt. So just browse our bolt. Now choose matte, select this face and select this. Make reverse. OK. Select this face and this face. Select OK. Now our assembly is ready. This bolt is quite smaller one, but we can change as per our requirement. So this is the our shearing blade or guillotine blade. I hope you enjoyed this blade and everything. Don't forget to like and share our videos. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.